Le inkundla kubengilonxusele inhlangano yemave labamhlophe i-European Union kuleli Kirsten Mecklenburg. Inhlelo letsukunyiswe ngilenhlangano kubambisa live eminyakeni lengetulu kwama-50 dithuthukise live ikakhulu letinhlangothini talo letiphathelene nekuphakama kwelizinga lenhlalakahle esiveni.
Your Majesty, I please present Ambassador Designate from the European Union. Your Majesty, please.
Lusiba lukhulu Mecklenburg watise ingonyama ngeluhlaka lwa-540 million emalangeni lokuthuthukisa live leSwatini etinhlangothini letifaka ekhatsi kuhlomisa bomake nensha ngemakhono ekuziphilisa.
With our current multi-annual indicative program until 2027, worth about 540 million emalangeni, we aim to invest primarily in human capital development and social inclusion. In close partnership with the government of Eswatini, with the private sector and civil society organizations, we will be notably empowering the youth, including disadvantaged youth and women with skills, income generation and employment. Our actions will focus on improving access to formal and non-formal education and the quality and relevance of technical and vocational education and training, ensuring that our plans align with the needs and aspirations of the people of Eswatini.
Silo semhlaba sithi lusito lolethwa inhlangano yaka-European Union seliphakamise lizinga lenhlalakahle esiveni emimangweni yakuleli.
I was visiting in the past few weeks, I was visiting a number of the regions here in the Kingdom of Eswatini, and I have seen a lot of development, which partly of that development has been contributed by the EU, and a lot of the communities in all these places have been very, very pleased with that kind of development, and especially because it has really changed their lives. These were communities who had nothing before, but today they talk of having hundreds of thousands of emalangeni in their pocket, which means that they will be able to take care of their families and their well-being and so on. So all that contribution, of course, goes to the programs which the EU has identified, and it's good to see that these programs are really going for poverty alleviation and creating job opportunities for our people. Of course, too, I've seen those who have also benefited in education. Since the EU has supported a lot of schools programs or a lot of educational programs here in the kingdom, people who are extremely happy. And we are happy that we have a very strong cooperation, which we are looking forward that yourself as the new ambassador, we are even going to develop more and more things together.
Ngaphandle kwekudlala inzima lenkulu etinyathelweni letithethwe ingonyama kuqinisa buhlobo belive leSwatini nemave emhlaba. Umgomo wetangephandle welive leSwatini loligagula njengelelo lelingenasitha wakhele live ligama lelihle kutembusave emhlaba wonke waphindze walicamisa ngekuthi lilive lelikhutsata kuthula. Ingonyama ikhutsatela amanxusa lamabili ukuthi abambe umgomo wankwe agijime ashiye inyosi kude tsheshe libonakale tithelo tekusebenta kwawo. Lebika kwethu indzabeni ngisandile Makhanya abambisane naZweli Masuku naThemba Mamba namxolisi Mavimbela esigodlweni kaLozitha.